Namaskar. Welcome to intermediate section of Learn Kathak Online. It's a pleasure to welcome you. I will be dealing with two aspects of Kathak where I will be challenging the students, the Nritta and the Nritya. In the technique or the Nritta section, a new tal has been introduced, a 10-beat cycle which is called Chhap tal. Chhap tal has Amads, which is a stylized way of taking an entry, Paran Amad, which is a combination of a Paran and an Amad, Chakardar Tukras, Tihais, Parans, Ladis, all such intrinsic classical compositions that have been passed on to me by my Guru, and perhaps he received it from his Guru. So through generations, these compositions have come and I'm passing it on to you. In the Nritya section, we have some taranas and some thumris and bhajans. There is one bhajan that I particularly enjoyed recording for you because it is about Radha and Krishna. So there are specific lectures on how to prevent injury, or if you have injured yourself, what should you do immediately in order to control it. There are lessons on performance etiquettes, which are very important. You travel different parts of the country, different parts of the globe. What etiquettes are necessary for a performing artist? The diet issues. There are many such topics that are directly related to dance and dancers. We've made a package for you to empower you with more knowledge and to share our skill with you. We as a team from Learn Kathak Online have brought this project for you. I hope you enjoy as much as we have enjoyed making it for you. Thank you.